Welcome guys, so today I'm with Beats Studio 3, and if you wonder where you can find the microphone of this headset, take a look. You have to focus on this headphone, and next to this small indicator in this place you will find this little hole. It's right here actually. Let me just zoom in a little bit to show you how it looks. Okay, I think that right now we can see it clearly. Of course, I'm not talking about this one because it's auxiliary cable input. So the microphone is right here in this place, under this small indicator. And that's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.